So, good day everyone. Our topic is about the material self. So now I will discuss the learning outcome and the introduction of our topic. So let's go. And guys, magtitikang tayo na hit learning outcomes lanay bago kita mag-post ng introduction. So the first one is the association of self and possession. So ang meaning ito is, for example, ako sa mga tao nga mahilig gamit, tas karagpit mga branded. So, dirit nakikita at pagkatao, darahit ka mahilig natin it mga branded, mga luxury na gamit. So, shit dida nga, nare-recognize kita it ibang tao nga, awin ni hiyaw, mahilig hit mga sugas-sugahin. So, shit an association of self and possession. So guys, ang ikaduha naman is role of consumer culture to self and identity. Like for example, kita, mahilig kita yung mga branded na gamit. So, di dapat nagiging kilala nga way. Dara kayo kita is, mahilig kita, like for example, iPhone, mga branded na mga bado. So, di dapat kasi nagiging simbolo nga na kita is social ba kita, kaya dara kayo mahilig kita magamit ng mga marahalan branded. So, asset yan, role of consumer culture to self and identity. And the next one is material causes. Causes of material niyan. So, inihiya guys, example ini is kita, may isang tao nga mahilig hit mga bagay nga mahal, hindi rin naman kailangan nga para lang may paipahit ibang tao na dirit magpamayabang na parang talaga po ipakita nga may kapasidad nga makapalsugahin na magmukhang panlagata social ba siya yan causes of materialism. Yes, for the go. Sunod naman is impact of materialism and consumerism on the self. Ini is for example is ako pero may kukurag may ko gabag o nga gadget pero may kukurag may ako bago pero nga papalitan ba tas ko naman nawawara nakin interest ng mga gamit bisan kung grada mo init may nakapalibot na mga gadget sa ano mga gadget may ako na so nawawara nakin gana ba like for example di na pa ako kontento at buhay. So, asyit ko nagkakamay din insecurity or stress asyit siguro. So, asyit nga wala nang ganit nga tanan kay kuwang ka na anit nga nawawara ka natin sarili. So, asyit ko impact of materialism and consumerism on the self. So, the next one is last one na niya guys. Last one guys is appraise oneself based on the material self. So, sample ini is kailangan natin adman niya halaga ito sa mga tao is di rin nagbe-base kung ano tat mayda or kung ano tat pagmamayari. Kundi nagbe-base siya hit ang na pagkatao or ugalit sa tao. So, asyit yan appraise oneself based on the material self. So, sinagad na nga ito ang introduction na kita. Pabasa ko pala anay kay di ko memorize. So, mga pasensya lang. Babasa ko pala guys. Pumatik ako pumatik. Bisan kung direct fluent kung English, babasa ko. So, let's start the introduction guys. We are living in a world of sell and shopping free. We are given a wide array of product to purchase, from a simple set of spoon and fork to owning a restaurant. Almost anywhere, including digital space, we can find promotion of product purchase. Product advertisement are suggestive of making us feel better or look good. Part of us wants to have that product. What makes us want to have those products are connected with who we are, what we want to have, and already possess is related to ourselves. In Built 1988 stated that we regard possession are part of ourselves. We are what we have and what we possess. There is a direct link between self-identity with what we have and possess. our wanting to have and possess as a connection with another aspects of the life that called the material self. So asya it. So explain ko tiya, may pitko tayong explanation. So nagbasa-basa. Hindi nagbasa-basa. Please pa natin basa yun, di ba? Sa nakatang introduction. Yan na guys. So kapag kita is mahilig kita mga gamit nga mga branded, Sweet Gadget, Bado, mga pen shop, iPhone, Pro Max, Polypaid. Pero kung tutuusin talaga is kung karga namit nga simple la, like I mean, mahilig kahit mga marahalin ba nga gamit, pero gawin lang maging simple la. Tapos din ang karga nga ipakita namin nga kung ka moderno, social, kung la talaga mas importante nga mas importante may mga practical na gamit na kailangan din kaysa na mahit nga igahambugla ning para latin status. So asitan kandidahan introduction in sosogan. So siya tanakon ko so na kahit hindi ka may new learning na may baro na series kabay.
Hi everyone, I'm the reporter for Lesson 1 Components of the Material Self. So, the material self, according to William James, primarily is about our bodies, clothes, intermediate family, and home. We are deeply affected with these things because we have put much investment of ourselves to them. So, nasugay William James, material self daw ay bahagi tatong pagkatao kasi it nga may body, clothes, and intermediately family, and home. Kaya di daw nakikita kung hino kita and kung hino ta at papalagahan. So, may dito pat na components of material self. Una is body. Body is the innermost part of material self. We are directly attached with this commodity that cannot live without. We strive hard to make sure that the body function well and good. So sugay William James, it body daw. So dapat tapalagahan ta kay dida kita nakuha yung kusog nga dapat perming healthy ta at lawas nga dapat permidamain makusig kay para itong sakit malalabanan ta. So di namahan kaduha na clothes. Clothing is the essential part of material self, and anytime we are going to object into the surface of our body, the fabric and the style of clothes we are bringing since function to the body to which direct effect or attitude and behavior. So nasugad dihi William James it quotes daw na mahalaga naman niya kay di kita kung paano kita magsulot mga bado kay para itaton kay para di naman makita at private parts itaton lawas. So right, katulong naman intermediate family. What our family do or become affects us. We place large investment for our immediate family when we see them as the nearest replica of ourselves. So nasugad di si William James, family daw dapat naman maglaan kitahin oras kay dida nakikita kung gaano tayo kasaya pag mahalaga pagmamahalan at ating mga family. Right. Kasi kapat naman home is the earliest mist of our selfhood. Our experience inside the home were recorded and marked on particular parts and things in our home with the it is an extension of self because we can direct connect ourselves. So dididawan kung siya na didikit na kita at karanasan alaala ngan emosyon sugahit mga things sugahit mga bagay nga adat balay sugahit yasan di ni makikita ani mga memories ang bata ka pa kung nag-inano ka tapos kung anong sugat siya da nga paano nila ko nang pinuan sugat ito siya lang. Di naman last na the more investment of self is given to the particular thing, the more we identify ourselves to it. So we also had the trending to collect and process properties. So nasugad dihi William James it mga bagay ko nung bahagi na kuno it aton sarili nan kapag tinatagan tahin oras nagiging konektado kirita sugahit mga gamit na cellphone bado o mga yasan dida nakikita kung hino kirita ngan kung ano it mahalagahaat siya na po.
So, good day everyone. I'm John Alberto Limpapas, and today I will present what is materialism. So, nature and the role of possessions. Material possessions provide several effect on the individual, whether it is personal, intellectual, or emotional. Varied motivates agitate the individual to pursue more and amass more of the money, gadgets, vehicles, jewelry, and like regardless of their realistic needs. So material possessions are considered as an extension of one's personal and social aspects. For instance, you would sometimes hear people say a particular dress or accessory brings out your personality, or how certain possessions are considered as your family treasure. So material possessions ko no, mga bagay nga pagmamayari natin, so kahit kwarta, cellphone, bado, alahas, tapos iba pa nga mga gamit. So nakakaapekto hinit ating hit ating sarili, hit ating ugali or damdamin, at kung paano kit kukalawan hit ibang nga tao. So yun din madalas nating magkaroon ng mas damo pa nga gamit bisan ita di rin na makailangan. So naso Levi Strauss 1965 also emphasized that possessions do not just have value, they are not merely economic commodities. They are also vehicles and instrument for realistic of another order. They reflect power, influence, social status, emotional, and sympathy. So, nasuga ko na Levi Strauss nga atong pagmamayari kuan hindi lang diri lang yung may halagit kwarta. So, ipinakikita daman niya nga ating katayuan hit lipunan or kapangyarihan at damdamin. So, halimbawa, may kuan duduha nga mag-classmate. Nawagan hirahin tag 500. So, ano sa mayaman. Tapos ano sa naman mahirap. So, mas dakan halaga hit mahirap ang 500. Kay Tapos, ipinakikita hiya nga, iba-iba halagit bagay, depende hit sitwasyon hit sa nga tao. So, that's all. Thank you.
So, good day everyone. I'm John Alex Doring, and today I will discuss the concept of self-gift. And there are three factors that reveal how self-gifts are reflection of an individual's materialism. So, number one, materialism is often associated with self-centeredness. Self-centeredness means prioritizing the self while showing evident lack of empathy on the plate of others. So when we say plate of others, problema iti ibang nga tao. Tapos nasuga didaan number one nga, mas inuuna ko nun itim sarili kaysa problema iti ibang nga tao. Like for example, may dati hara may kwarta nga darahit ira problema, wara nim pahagma, bisa may nim kwarta, dara kay minim karayag palitan nga gamit para hitim sarili. So I should didaan impapahiwatig hit number one. Number two nama, materialists define success according to how much wealth and property was amassed. They usually utilize position in self-definition. They have the evident tendency to define success in terms of quality and amount on one's acquired fortune. So nasa kadida number 2 nga, matatawag ka daw nga successful pag may daan ni mga luxury like kotse, balay, mga gamit nga pundar nim nga galing itim kasig, like matatawag ka na kuno nga successful. So number 3 nama, materialists believe that happiness results from the relationship between buying and consumption. Self-gift can be source of intense happiness among materialists. It provides them with very positive emotion. Self-gift prevent negative emotion such as depression, emptiness, and sadness, as it provide therapy to materialist. So nasuga dila number 3 nga, ipagpalit ko no yung gamit para hitim sarili, nakakatanggal usa ko nito yang nakakatanggal hit stress, mga problema, like nahimo ko parang therapy na ko nun hiya para mahuwas itim problema. So ashit hiya. And then the next topic will be discussed by my classmate. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the lesson 3, the pursuit of happiness, which is the number 4 and 5. So number 4, materialism and self-concept prove how insecurity motivates people to work so hard for material possession, as their same wealth become their source of security. Kumbaga, sa nga tao hindi feel insecure, kumbaga for example ginihimo niya red insecurity siya insecurity, ginihimo niya nga motivation para para magtrabaho perahin mas maupay or to toward their goal or their position. So parang when they feel insecure or insurance their sarili, they find things that can make them feel comfortable or boost their confidence, like owning things or having brand new gadgets, clothes, cars, and money. So through hiton parang nagiging nafe-feel niya nga comfortable hira, and it can boost the monetary confidence. So hence the absence of this object means a great degree of emptiness and the feeling of deficiency. Kumbaga, when they lose this position, they feel empty, incomplete, or not good enough. Kumbaga, for example, may da ko goal ha buhay. goal ko sumakses or ako ko nala ano yun goal ko maging maupay umuyas ha football. So ini parang goal ko ya. So parang kapag diri ko ini makamit or ma-achieve, parang feel ko nga may kulang or incomplete or not good enough iton nga usa nga bagay. So celebrity worship, materialism, and compulsive buying were significantly related to our self-concept and to lower level of well-being. Kumbaga, these studies show that people who focus too much on money, brands, or celebrities tend to have lower self-esteem and feel less happy overall. Kumbaga, for example, ito sa nga nga tao, mas focus siya kwarta, branded, ngahin celebrities. So a tendency parang it can lower their self-esteem and it can make them feel less happy or parang nagiging cause na damahiyahit pagiging diri malipayan nito sa mga tao dara kay mas focus malayhid kwarta. So the last one is number 5, which is materialism and lack of engagement mean losing one's ability to empathize with others as they become callous to other people's needs. So kumbaga giging self-centered na hiya, which is when someone to focus on money or possession, they can lose empathy or the ability to understand, care for others. Kumbaga, when you are too much focused on money, parang nawawarayan ka care hindi ba nga tao or parang mas priority ba damanim din hitim sarili is or ano pa doon parang nagiging self-centered ka na nga ni. So their ability to accumulate possessions separate them from others who they consider as inferior. So dinit materialistic nga tao iisip niya nga mas bitter hiya iton nga usa nga tao dara kay mas damo may tiya bagay nga awkward or mas damo tiya sa lapi. So parang giniisip niya nga mas mamapay hiya hiton nga tao dara kay damo naman niya na achieve. So parang hiya napahirayo hiya hiton. So the ultimate question is, how do we really experience happiness about who we are and what we have in its genuine sense? Kumbaga din parang di asking question at time. So materialism, it can lead people to chase possession for happiness. Parang materialism ginlilidlit niya tao to chase happiness or ginkukan lit niya puposes lit niya ito sa nga bagay para maging masaya, pero it can cause naman of emptiness or sadness and insecurity, because the happiness does not come from what we own, but from understanding of ourselves, connecting with others, and being content. Kumbaga, pagiging happy is diri mga bagay nga may ada ta, which is Hindi dahil pagkilalit at sarili and pagkikipagkapwa hit ibang nga tao. Tapos pagiging kontento hit at sarili or pagiging kontento hit at sarili kung ano may ada tayo na. Shala.